Now removing the plastic shrouds in the Ford Ranger. So we're at the back of the car at the moment. That's where our BCDC is going, beside the back seats. Battery location here. These shrouds, they do just clip out. There's nothing holding them in except plastic clips. However, if they haven't been off before, they can be a little bit tight. So you may need a little screwdriver in under here to give them a little bit of a lift up. Just easing it across. Maybe a wobble from side to side. So this one is actually quite tight. And there, it does come off. So you can see the little clips. One thing to be aware of is sometimes one of the clips will stay in there. So we need to get that out, which is quite simple. We just lift this part up, and then we can see the clip there. And once we get it back out, we're going to want to reinsert it from where it once was. And the same with this one too. We need to pull it out and put it back in this location. So same deal up the front. We're going to remove this one and the kick panel.